Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A great first day at Lords for Team India. Team India has scored 276 for 390 overs. There was a bit of rain delay, but that is the good thing that we got all the 90 overs, and what a great performance. And this day surely belongs to KL Rahul. 127 not out, a great display of determination, good technique, left the ball outside the off stump pretty well, gave hour and a half to the bowlers, and then once he got into the groove, after he hit Moeen Ali for that 6 over mid off, then there was no stopping him. A great display of cover drives as it is his hallmark, and great display of square drives as well. So a perfect innings from KL Rahul, and I'm very happy for him because unfortunately he hasn't been able to cement his spot in the Test side as an opener, and due to the fierce competition, as you know that Mayank Agarwal, Prithvi Shaw, Shubman Gill, the top order is pretty stacked, and due to the high standards of Indian cricket, you have to make count each and every opportunity. KL was fortunate in this situation because both Mayank Agarwal and Shubman Gill are unfortunately injured, but he has grabbed this opportunity with both hands. In the first test, he was also the best batsman in the Indian team, and he has showed that his class once again, scoring 127 not out. And the conditions were pretty difficult, but he has managed to see off the new ball. Left it, as I said at the start of the video, that is one of the most important shots in England, leaving the ball, and just hammered the any loose deliveries. Sorry, and even after he was hit, he if he got the good balls, he just played them on their merit and scored runs of good balls too. So I only hope that he scores 200 because now he's set, and this is a great opportunity for him to cement his place as an opener in this Indian side. It is cemented now because of his tremendous two performances, but a double hundred will be the cherry on the cake. Another magnificent performance by Rohit Sharma. As you know, he got unfortunately out on 36 in the first innings in Trent Bridge. He was looking pretty good, and the second innings he was also looking very assured. He scored 83, deserved 100, but James Anderson bowled a brilliant in swinger that undone him. I would say it is the Rohit's best inning in overseas. I was also very gutted and sad that he didn't get the 100, but the way he has displayed patience, he has played against his nature, left ball outside the off stump pretty well, gave himself time, adjusted accordingly, and still he was scoring at a pretty fair clip, pretty decent clip. So Rohit, well done. You will get the 100 on this tour soon enough. Virat Kohli got settled, but unfortunately got out on 42 of Oli Robinson. The wait for the 71st century goes on, but I think as the tour progresses, he will come into his groove, he will come into his own, and the century will also come sooner rather than later. I hope. It was another disappointing outing for Cheteshwar Pujara. I think his form is a bit of a concern for Team India right now, but he is a class batsman. We know his class, but he is currently going through lean patches, and his lean patches are pretty big. So he needs to pull up his socks, and I hope he comes good in the second innings of the Test. Because Team India needs him. Now we have KL Rahul on 127 and Ajinkya Rahane on the crease. This is an important innings for Rahane as well. The pitch has eased out. There was sun, and just 1 hour on the second day will be given to the bowlers. I think it should be given to the bowlers, and after that we can make hay while the sun shines in England. So hands down, the first day was of Team India, scoring 276 runs, and I think they should at least target 400, if not 450, and bat England completely out of this game, because we know that England's batting is not pretty good right now. Only Joe Root is the man in form, and the rest of the batting lineup is under pressure to deliver, and the Indian bowlers will exploit such conditions because our bowling attack is also very superior as compared to England at the moment. So score 400 to 450, above 450 will be well and good. Bat England out of the game. and seal the test match on the second day, seal the fate of the test match on the second day. So how did you like my analysis on the first test? Please tell in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Till then everyone, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye.